What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. XOXO Shiba here. So today I'm going to be working with this wig. This is from Allove hair. As you can see, it's not quite from the beginning. See, I already recorded this review, but when I was editing it, I didn't like how it turned out, so I'm doing it again because I'm not gonna put out something I don't like. I already have the wig on basically to cover my own edges because there is dried up got to be on my edges, and that's just not cute. But just to let y'all know, for the inside, there's a comb on this side, a comb on this side, and you have the comb in the back, and you have adjustable straps. But this is a lace part unit, so you have the lace part, and then you have lace right on the edges, but you do not have lace, like it's not a frontal, it's just a lace part unit, which I didn't even realize they did for like real hair. I thought that was a synthetic thing, but apparently it's all of it. So I'm going to be styling this cute bob today. Well, we're going to make it cute. It's not exactly cute just yet, but we're going to be styling this today. Again, this is from Allove hair, so shouts out to them for sending this unit to me. They just called this 100% virgin hair. They didn't actually have like it wasn't like Malaysian or anything for this unit. So it's just called 100% virgin hair. But it does a lot, like it reminds me, I couldn't talk. You see how my words kind of blended there for a second. I thought I could smooth it out. Anyways, it reminds me a lot of Malaysian hair. So this, because it's a lace part unit, it's pretty much glueless. Like, you're not gonna have to glue this down. I will be using product to, you know, lay my edges and stuff like that, but you know, this will be a glueless install for the most part. How easy a wig flattens down says a lot about the unit. What does it say? I'm not sure, but it says something. I had a clip. Where did it go? This will work. Oh, forgot to show y'all. So Allove, they send you a gift. Well, they sent me a gift. But I do know they send you, you know, some little extras in there, and they sent me a shirt. Don't judge the tangling by what I'm doing right now because, like I said, I did style this already. This was very much like a Malaysian hair. So Malaysian hair is easy to manage. Not to say that this is Malaysian hair because, again, I don't know what it is. I just know it says 100% virgin hair. With this, I'm trying to like get a balance of making it appear fuller without, but also flipping it. So it's kind of like a because I don't like the shape it made when I went just straight down and flipped it. It might have been maybe how I laid the top, I'm not sure, but in my first try I didn't really like how it, I don't know, I didn't like how it molded on my head. But it's taking to the heat really well, and it's like flipping really easy. I am not sure where that dent is coming from, but I don't appreciate it. When I was younger, I actually used to love doing a hair flip with my hair. I don't know, I went through like this, my mom called it a Farrah Fawcett stage. Because I stayed like flipping my, I don't know, I just discovered doing a little hair flip and I just loved it. But I would take it like from the top where my layers were all the way through it. I guess, yeah, that's why my mom called it a Farrah Fawcett stage, because it was like, I'd do a side part, and then I had my little side bang, and I would just flip it out like all the way around. Loved it. The flips always remind me of like, you know, obviously the 50s, 60s where it came from, but it really also reminds me of the 90s. Like if you saw how Cardi B did hers, it was super 90s, or anybody I've really seen do it recently. Doja Cat's was more 50s like. I originally wanted to do this the same way Cardi B had hers. Well, similar, because this is a middle part, she had a side part. But seeing as this isn't a lace front, I didn't like how it turned out. Like, I don't know, it just didn't totally look right to me. It looked good for what it was, but it just didn't. I was like, I could do a better job if I just didn't do that. Say that for maybe a lace front bob or something. I did bleach the knots on the lace part anyway, just because I was already bleaching the frontals I had already. So I was like, I might as well just use this XX bleach instead of wasting it, because why waste it? So I did bleach the knots on this unit. It didn't have like any type of hair smell when I first took it out the package, so that was a plus. I'm trying to be careful not to cause my flip to turn into like a spiral curl like you do with a flat iron. Because if you start too high, you potentially could turn it into a curl instead of a flip. I listen, bobs are supposed to be a thinner density usually, but I do wish this was just a tad bit thicker. Just a tad bit thicker for the way it like settles on my head. Maybe a little hairspray might help. Cause it's just a little flat to me, if y'all can see what I'm talking about. It's just a little flat. So while that's settling, I'm gonna go ahead and take some edge control. This edge control is from Evan. And I'm just using a little bit. I haven't been doing a whole lot of baby hair lately, but with this being a lace part unit, I do want to go ahead and add some. I believe that I had some of those clips. I really wanted to put them in, but I lost the bag. I got some at Sally's. I think they were about $4 for the whole bag, but I lost the bag. I have no idea where it went, and I'm upset because I really wanted to do that with this. This is the final product. I really like the flip out look. Like I said in the video, I do wish it was just a little bit fuller. Not a whole lot fuller, but just a little bit fuller. I think it did kind of settle out fuller when I did the freeze spray in it for hairspray. So that worked pretty well for me, but I do wish it was just a little bit fuller. Just a little bit. So very simple, easy to do, great for beginners. This is definitely a beginner-friendly wig. You don't have to do the flip. I just wanted to try it out, do something different instead of just the regular middle part straight bob for you guys, because it's, you know, you've seen that. Density overall is not bad. It's just, for this particular style, I think I just wanted a thicker hair for a flip out. I don't know, but I actually really like it. Now that it's kind of settled, I'm not mad at it. If you want to pick up this unit, I will link all the information down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.